So here we are provided with two regular polygons and they have sides in the ratio 5:4. It is also given that the difference between their angles is 9 degrees. So what are the possible number of sides for this polygon? So that means we need to find out the polygon sides. So let us begin. So here what we'll do, we will consider two polygons. So we'll say polygon A, that say it has n number of sides. The n number of sides are present in polygon number A. Then we have the other polygon, which is polygon B. So let's say polygon B has got k number of sides. Now it's given here that the ratio of the sides of polygon A to that of sides of polygon B, so n over k, so this ratio is 5:4. So this is a condition that's given to us. So we can rewrite n in terms of k as n equals to 5/4 times k. So we're going to label this as number 1. We'll use it in a moment. Now let's go to the next condition. It's given here that the difference between their angles is 9 degrees. So here we'll have to assume that they are we have to consider here the internal angles. So let's find out the internal angles of a polygon. So if we're considering polygon A, then its internal angle, that's given by, first we'll have to find out the sum of internal angles. Now once we know the sum of the internal angles, because it's a regular polygon, so what we'll do, we'll divide it by the total number of sides. So total number of sides is going to give us the internal measure of each internal angle. So we're considering polygon A, so this will be divided by n. So what's the sum of internal angles? That's given by the formula n minus 2 times 180 degree. So that's the sum of internal angles, and we are going to divide it by n, and this measure is going to be the measure of one internal angle. So let's call it theta 1 for the time being. And then we have for polygon B, so polygon B, the measure of internal angle theta 2, so that's going to be, so it has got k number of sides, so we have k minus 2 multiplied to 180 degrees. So this gives us the sum of the internal angles divided by k. So this is now going to give us the measure of each internal angle. Now theta 1 minus theta 2, it's given here that that's 9 degrees. So let's use that. Now we have theta 1 minus theta 2, so that's 9 degrees. So theta 1, so we have n minus 2 over n multiplied to 180 degree minus theta 2, so that's k minus 2 over k multiplied to 180 degree. So this is equals to n. So we're solving, we'll divide both sides with 180 degrees. So we have 1 minus 2 over n minus 1 minus 2 over k equals to, so we have 9 degrees divided by 180, that becomes 1 over 20. Fine. So that gives us 2 over k minus 2 over n equals to 1 over 20. So we're going to replace the value of n with 5 over 4k. Let's do that. So we have 2 over k minus 2 over n. So n will be 5k divided by 4 equals to 1 over 20. Now when we solve for k, so k comes out to be equals to 8. Now that we have the value of k equals to 8, we can replace it in number 1, and that's going to give us the value of n. So n comes out to be, so 5 over 4 times 8, so that's going to be simply 10. So that means one of the polygon A is going to have 10 sides and polygon B is going to have 8 sides. So that means option C is the correct answer.